From finding answers to the problems that surround our material world, to unraveling the layers of human consciousness, quantum mechanics is the key that defines our existence in this universe. India is continuously opening up new frontiers in diverse fields like quantum capabilities, which is one of the most remunerative areas of technological development. In the first place, understanding quantum technology is an important factor. Quantum technology is based on the principles of quantum mechanics and is used to describe nature at the scale of atoms and elementary particles.
Quantum technology is opening up new frontiers in computing, communications, cybersecurity with widespread applications. It is expected that a lot of commercial applications would emerge from theoretical constructs which are developing in this area.
This technology is important as it is manifested through applications in secure communication, disaster management through better prediction, computing, simulation, chemistry, healthcare, cryptography, and imaging. Moreover, it helps in understanding biological phenomena such as smell, consciousness, enzyme catalysis, synthesis, avian navigation, and even the origin of life and the effects on coronavirus. To develop more understanding on this subject, let's hear Dr. R. Vijayaraghavan.
One of the most important applications of a quantum computer would be to model nature, because nature works on the laws of quantum physics, and if we understand how nature works, then basically the possibilities are endless. Let me give a few examples. You're designing a new medicine. A medicine is basically composed of some molecule. A molecule is composed of some atoms, right? And atoms behave the law of quantum physics. So if I can represent this model properly, efficiently, so that the full laws of quantum mechanics are apparent, then it allows me to understand how this molecule will behave, what kind of properties it can have, how it might interact with other medicines, for example. And all of this can be done on a computer.
India is rapidly gearing up to build quantum computers and is evolving a national strategy to harness innovative technologies. Let's get to know how. In the Budget 2020, the government has announced a national mission on quantum technologies and applications with a total budget outlay of Rs 8,000 crores for 5 years. Under this project, a boost is provided to research in the field of quantum technology. Further, in 2019, the Department of Science and Technology has also set up a program named Quantum Enabled Science and Technology Quest.
Now the Quest, basically the first thing it did the capacity mapping in the country. We identified more than 50 groups, mostly young scientists, who are working in the area of quantum, but we also need to seed the capacity in quantum experimental research. So these more than 50 groups that were identified are being supported under the Quest program.
DST, or Department of Science and Technology, has also started a division called Frontier Technology, which has rolled out a mission on cyber physical systems. This mission has set up about 21 hubs and 4 research parks across India, which are going to form the base for the architecture and processes of quantum technology mission and will empower the industry. These cyber physical systems are intelligent, autonomous, and efficient and are expected to drive innovation in sectors as diverse as agriculture, water, energy, transportation, infrastructure, security, health, and manufacturing. Thus, it is heralded as the next paradigm shift in technology that can exponentially spur growth and development. Some significant developments in the field of quantum technology include manufacturing and establishing the usage of heralded and entangled photon sources by Quantum Information and Computing Lab, ISRO's collaboration with research institutes, formation of a special committee at the national level for research and application of quantum technologies by DRDO, and study of quantum biology by IIT Bombay. India's dedicated endeavors towards technological advancements have helped in cultivating skilled human resources, boosting applied research, encouraging entrepreneurship, and developing startup ecosystems across the country. Quantum mechanics is an essential aspect of our past, present, and future, because ultimately, in the end, we are all nothing but atoms. We will be back with some more updates. Thanks for watching. life.